In any season, proper care is needed to keep skin healthy. Different skin problems are also different, the method of care is also different. Those who have oily skin or dry skin suffer a little more. Today we will show you intensive skin whitening and brightening at home. Fast. Take 1 tablespoon gram flour in a bowl. Gram flour works as a great ingredient to remove excess sebum from the skin along with unclogging pores. Add 1 tablespoon wheat flour. Much like besan, gram flour, you can use atta as a face pack to fight oily skin, cleanse out toxins, reduce tan and dark spots and improve skin elasticity and brightness. Besides, you will be using a completely natural ingredient to give your skin a dose of goodness. Add 1 tablespoon yogurt. Yogurt is rich in zinc and has anti-inflammatory properties. It also contains probiotics that will help restore your skin's natural barrier. Yogurt has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties that can help prevent breakout of acne and ensure a glowing and healthy skin. Add 1 tablespoon tomato juice. Tomato works as a natural astringent, thus you can use it to reduce open pores and blackheads. You just need to cut a tomato in half and rub all over the skin, letting the juice saturate into the pores. Leave it for 15 minutes and wash off with normal water. Mix well. Apply this mixture all over the face and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, clean it off with waters. Now you can see my face is so much fair, glowing and bright. Use it 3 to 4 times a week for best results. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, visit our websites.